my full list, it'll go for too long, but let's say real council houses, genuinely affordable housing.
It's the same for the nurses and their bursaries, it's the same for every other struggle as we go forward now. Because above all else now we need solidarity.
Okay, so hi everybody, I'm Danielle, I'm a student nurse from King's College and part of the Bursary or Bust campaign. To be here with you all, albeit a bit nervous. I came into the profession of nursing because I wanted to care for people when they needed it the most. I wanted to hold their hand during their last moments. I wanted to be there to support, cuddle and comfort families through their saddest times. I came into nursing because I want to care for every single one of you. But now, someone like me who cares from a different background will be blocked from going into the best profession in the world. Yes, George Osborne, Jeremy Hunt, the Tories, you have smashed future nurses' dreams. Shame on you! Society, seriously, Tories, shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Myself and some of these incredible NHS students have been campaigning against the cuts to the bursaries. We are incredibly concerned about the future of the NHS because this is our NHS too. I can only compare to a cardiac arrest. Our NHS has crashed. The Tories are a toxic force, ripping it apart. For every minute that passes, the Tories deprive it of its oxygen, its staff, its doctors, its nurses, its occupational therapists. The NHS chances of survival diminishes by 10%. We do not have long left until our NHS does go into cardiac arrest, unless we get this government out. Tories, shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! So what's the issue? For NHS workers, having such a massive debt taken from an already capped salary, when we are accessing food banks and hardship, it's a disgrace. What else is a disgrace is the 1% pay offer that nurses and other healthcare professionals have been offered for the next 4 years. How are we meant to do a job we love if we cannot afford to live? This is not just about pay. We see patients who face daily austerity measures. We see patients in A&E who take their own life because of the bedroom tax. I see nurses cry on their own in the staff room as they are so stretched they do not feel like they can do their job. Nurses who, like me, have the biggest passion. We see our junior doctors going through the fight of their lives whilst Jeremy Hunt tries to impose an unsafe and unfair contract on them. Well, I say we are no longer the silent workforce. I say to you, and this is sad to think of this at the beginning of my career, the nurses, NHS workers and JDs, we won't be silenced anymore. I say we reject our insulting 1% pay increase immediately. We fight for our patients and we ballot for industrial action.